We are going to talk about Meet and Greet Italy. They are a in-country supplier that will meet all of your Italy wants and desires for your clients. So first, let's go ahead and dive into where it is that you guys would register. Again, we're going to go over to the suppliers in the travel cafe. You guys will see here, it says Meet and Greet Italy. When you scroll down, it's going to explain to you who they are. Meet and Greet Italy is a dynamic company based in Rome and founded in 2015. We operate as both a tour operator, designing and selling complete travel packages in your local currency, USD, Canadian, and a DMC by leveraging local expertise, ensuring seamless on-the-ground service execution, combining the best of both models in a single solution. What this means is that they are in country. So when your clients need help, they're going to be there. But also, these are curated by Italians, people who live there, know it, live it, breathe it. And so we're going to talk about that here in just a moment. You guys can see here their commission structure, tailor-made 14%, preset packages 12%, pre and post cruise 12%. Okay, it's going to go through how and explain the different processes for payment, our contact there, and then how to register. So when you click on this button, it is going to take you to this screen. You guys are going to go ahead and get registered, first name, last name, email, your country, state you live in. Obviously, our host agency is Archer Travel, and we're going to scroll down to our consortia, which is Travel Leaders Network. You're going to accept both and then hit Let's Become a Misi, right? So that is going to be how that you guys get registered. How to make a booking request. There is this information, but I'm going to show you a little bit easier way to do that. Then come here. You guys will want to bookmark this supplier in your favorites on your desktop, laptop, wherever you save your favorites. So that way it's easier to get there. But you guys can always come back to the Travel Cafe for this information as well. So let's go ahead and dive into its portal. So this is what it's going to look like. And we're going to go through a couple of the different things that they have here. They do have FITs, they do have escorted group tours, as well as pre and post cruise. So we're going to start with the FIT tours, the Italy of every first-time traveler, Rome, Florence, Venice, Amalfi, Sikh-Teri, thematic journeys that elevate the classic first trip to Italy experience. You guys can see here, these are going to be trips that are already put together for you, listed here. You guys can see 10 days, the places that they go, and these are going to be prices per person starting. Okay, so from $3,800, that's going to be per person. So you guys can see all of these different options. And if you go ahead and click on one, it's going to explain what this tour is about. You guys can see here where it starts, where it finishes. You guys can see that it's going to be going to Rome, Florence, Venice, and Milano. It's also going to break down the day-by-day flow. So day 1, day 2, all the way through day 9, what's going to be included, what's going to be explored, what's included, not included. It's also going to go ahead and show you guys some selling tips. It's going to explain their accommodations. They do have the signature and smart. This is going to be your 4 and 5 stars. This is going to be more of your 3-star type accommodations. It's also going to show you the terms and conditions of this. So 10% deposit at booking, 90% balance 45 days prior to departure. It's going to show you the cancellations. It's also going to show you what's included. So you guys can see here, this specific one includes 8 nights. This includes daily breakfast, a pasta cooking class, glass of Tuscan wine, different activities that are going to be included, as well as that transportation. You guys can see down here, it's also going to show you guys, show the tour program to your clients. Now, I am never the type that recommends sending these to your clients. I always like to quote my clients over the phone. But if you guys wanted to be able to publish this tour on Facebook, they do have that for you as well. And then it's also going to show you the 24/7 on-the-ground support. And this is all built into the price. They're not paying anything extra for this service. It's already built in. So let's go ahead and go back. So that was your FITs, FIT, fully independent travel. So if you guys go ahead and keep scrolling down, it's now going to show you the escorted tours. These are curated, quality escorted product at the right price. Small groups, fast trains built around a specific interest. 100% luggage free, meaning they're going to move your luggage for you. You are not having to truck that up and down stairs or whatnot. It's going to make sure that your luggage is taken care of. The Italy experience your clients have been looking for and you've been wanting to sell. Again, it's going to show you the length of stays, the from prices. It's also going to have the group tours, right? This is going to be your group, custom group from up to 8. It's going to show you the different things that these groups do include, where they go. Now, pre and post, I know a lot of times people love taking those cruises and they want to be able to see the area in Italy prior or post cruise. And this is going to allow you guys to really boost up those cruise bookings by doing a pre and post or pre and post or and whatever the case may be. Again, it's going to show you guys 3 days. It's going to show you where they go. It's going to show you the different accommodations that are included with that. Okay, now one of the things that I did want to talk about briefly is going to be the tailor-made. Now I really love this because when you do the tailor-made, it's very similar to one of these. You guys are going to click on it, but you guys can't actually process the booking straight from here. And what do I mean by that? Let me go ahead and click on this real quick again and show you guys. So if you guys see down here at the bottom, it says instant quote and dates. So you guys can click on those, but if you want an instant quote, it's going to give you a form to fill out. And then they're going to curate that journey for you, right? They just know it's this one. And so now you're going to go through and you're going to answer some questions, 3 and 4 stars, so on and so forth. But I want to go back to this and I want to show you guys exactly what that tailor-made looks like. And then I'll show you what that looks like afterwards as well. So let's go ahead and create a tailor-made trip. How would you like to book the tour? Guided form, meaning you go step by step and request a submission, or you guys can also send them an email, right? Let's say your client has given you very, very specific day 1, day 2, day 5, day 6, you know, this hotel, that hotel, whatever the case may be. If they have very specific wants and desires, you guys can send that email in. But I really like this guided form. So let's go ahead and proceed. So it's going to walk you through this. So let's say that it is a trip for a party of 2. Now you can add children and infants as well, but let's just go ahead and go with 2 adults. So you're going to go ahead, or is it single? Is it double? Now let's just go ahead and put in a test, just so we can move forward. When would you like to travel? I have an exact travel date or I have approximate travel dates. Now, if your clients, when you guys are doing that consultation, if they say, no, we have to go April 1st to April 7th, then that's what you're going to have to put in. But if they tell you, no, I can go anywhere between April 1st and April 20th, we want to go for 7 nights, then you guys could use the approximate. But let's just go ahead with exact travel dates. So let's go ahead and let's go ahead and do this for April 1st through the 8th, right? That gives us that full week. So it's going to show you down here. If you're one of those people that has a hard time with counting how many nights and whatnot, you guys, it's going to count that for you here. So we have 7 total nights. Where are we going to start? We're going to go ahead and start at the airport, right? Which airport are we going to start at, right? Let's go ahead. We'll just start in Rome. Ending location is going to be the airport. And now you can decide, maybe your client's like, no, we want to fly into Rome, but we're going to want to do multi-cities. So we're going to fly out of Bologna, right? So now we can put those in there. So now it knows where the starting point and where the end point is. So we're going to hit next. Select hotel category. I don't need hotels. Maybe you don't want to do that. Maybe you just want the transportation and the excursions. But if you do want those hotels, you guys can go ahead and put in, do they want 3-star, 4-star, 5-star? Would you like to recommend any hotels that you think would be suitable for your clients? So if your clients have said, these are some hotels we've looked at, or maybe you have prior history with a couple of different resorts or properties, you guys could put this in here. But if not, you can leave that blank. Now, indicate the budget per person. Now, I know sometimes clients say, I don't have a budget. Let's face it, even the richest people, they have a budget. So let's go ahead and put that budget in. Let's just say that let's go ahead with $3,000 and their max. Now, again, this is including activities, accommodation, and transportation, excluding international flights and any other travel expenses. So let's just go ahead and say $3,000 to $5,000. Now they want to know, is the budget fixed, or my client's budget can be flexible if what you offer is valuable to them. Now, this is a fill, right? You have to fill out your clients. What does that look like? Okay, so let's just say that we go with the budget is fixed. You guys can explain the budget here and then go ahead and click next. If there's anything else, so if they want to go to Pompeii, if they want to go to the Amalfi Coast, if they want to go they want to go to the Vatican, right? You guys, this is where you guys are going to put that in. So that way, when they're curating this, they know all of the different places or sites that they want to see. So let's just go ahead and put Vatican. We can put in Venice. We can put in cooking class in Tuscany, right? And try limoncello. Okay, so now we go ahead and click next. And I apologize, you guys, I'm not always the best speller, but they're going to get the gist of it, right? And then all you simply have to do is request the quote. Now, I'm not going to request the quote because I'm not going to have them put all of that hard work into a quote. That is kind of a dummy quote. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys a quote that I have done in the past, okay? So once they put this quote together, this is what it's going to look like, okay? Venice, Florence, and Sorrento. Then it's going to show you all of the booking information. Again, this is for you. So this is coming into Venice. They're going to get an airport water taxi. This is going to show where they're staying. It's also going to show anything that's included. So gondola ride, this is staying at this hotel. Then they're still, right? They're still in Venice. So they're still at this hotel. The hidden Venice, right? They're going to show you all the different things that they're going to do. Here's another tour. You guys can see here on day 7, this is when they're going from Venice to Florence. So they're going to take a high-speed train. Now they're going to be staying in this hotel. And then here is a tour that's been included. Again, they're in Florence, different tours. Now they're going from Florence to Sorrento by high-speed train. Then they're going to be transferred to their hotel. Some different things that they're going to be doing here in Sorrento. It's going to explain day trip to Positano and round trip ferry tickets. And then it's going to show you here, for those of you guys that are more visual, they're starting in Venice, they're going to Florence, and then down to Sorrento. Then it's going to go ahead and give you clickable links if you guys want to physically see with your own eyes what these hotels look like. You guys can click on those. It's also showing that these are 4-star. This is a bed and breakfast, the room category, bed and breakfast, room category, bed and breakfast, and room category again. Now it's going to go ahead and show you the total price. So this price listed below includes the cost of the previously listed hotels, and it also includes all of the transportation and accommodations. Total owed per adult times 2 because it's for 2 adults, which is why that is that total. If you guys continue scrolling down, they do have, and I think this is pretty neat, you can click here to pay the deposit, or there's also a QR code, which makes it super easy. So at the time of booking, the deposit is $1,069. And remember when we were back earlier, it said when the deposit is due and when the final payment is due as well. And there's that final payment, $9,628. So they make it very pretty, beautiful. And they also include all of the booking conditions. Again, here's the cancellation. This is what happens with itinerary changes, travel documentation. It explains the city tax. It even goes as far as telling you the carbon footprint of this trip. and all of this information here in a nice, pretty email for you to explain. So absolutely, if you guys have somebody who is looking to go to Italy, and whether they want a tailor-made, whether they are wanting a, something that's already put together and curated for them, that's fine. If they're looking for small group, large group, maybe they have a group of 10 people that want to go together, they can curate that for you as well. So make sure that you guys get registered for Meet and Greet Italy, and make sure you quote your Italy clients with them.